Hi guys, welcome back to UBA YouTube channel. Now back to me again, Michael. I will be the host, and then this time I wanna ask for another participants of the dual EMBA workshop. And then this came beside me. There's a young man, fresh from the oven, join our dual EMBA workshop, and then it gets me curious and wanna ask him some questions. Thank you for coming, and please introduce your name to our friends.
So hi guys, my name is Jia. I'm a student at University of Southampton.
Oh wow! Actually, what brought you here?
Basically, I'm just a follower with my father.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow, there's a strong connection between father and son. So you joined this dual EMBA workshop because your father brings you along.
Actually, my father introduced me for this course.
Ah, that means you're gonna join our EMBA later.
My
Yeah, okay. I'll be waiting for that moment. Okay. As you know that our dual EMBA workshop talking about the leadership, management, strategy, and even competition. As a student, what you've gained from this workshop?
First of all, I need to tell you about that. Everything I learned from this course are totally different from what I learned from my uni. You know, it's an engineering school. You're only told what to do in our academic stuff and technical thing about machine. So we don't actually have a chance to learn about leadership. I learned how to guide a group of people. Not about being empowered and using power force your teammate to work with you. How you need to use the strategies and influencing.
So basically, it's not all about business or even leadership. But even we are not a leader, you want that people do something what you want, you have to influence them, right?
Yeah.
Not using the power.
Yeah.
Wow, okay. Can be applied also not only for business, but also for your life or even the relationship with your friends. Great. The last question that I want to ask, please mention 3 things that is unforgettable for you from this workshop.
First of all, I learned about things like influencing people. Second one is I actually have a chance to know lots of people and I can hear a lot of experience from them. As I'm still a student, I haven't go out to a real world.
That means that the second is networking.
I need to thank Mr. Handy for slapping me away.
Like doing slapping
No,
in your face.
Not that kind of slapping, like
with his statement.
his statement.
Okay.
So as the younger people in my age tend to a bit arrogant.
Doing what we want.
Yeah, and especially when younger people learn something that's just a little bit things, they'll think like they already know everything. We need to tell the younger people nowadays that doesn't mean that when you learn just a little bit stuff, it means it's everything. You still have lots of things to learn.
I feel like that he will become a future leader. Thank you so much, Jala. I'm so happy having you here and doing the interview. And then I heard that you're gonna back soon. Okay, you're gonna catch your flight. So thank you so much again for being here. Bye bye.